game day. You're with your boys. You crack open a cold one, and now you get out your pastry brush. Every man's best friend. Nachos and buffalo wings and french fries. Had a love child on game day. What's your favorite football movie?
I Remember the Titans.
Me too! Gary breaks my heart every time. It is game day, and we are making crispy smashed potatoes with buffalo sauce and blue cheese dressing. There is no better combination on this planet Earth than buffalo sauce and blue cheese. I will happily fight with any of you in the comments if you disagree.
Ranch.
No.
Comment for blue cheese.
No. Haley, this is my video, okay? And if you have buffalo wings, you better dunk those in some blue cheese dressing. All right, so I've got some little baby Yukon potatoes here. You can use really any potato you like as long as it is around this size. So we're gonna add them to a pot, and then I'm gonna cover them with cold water. One moment, please. Okay, we're gonna salt the water. Made it. Sports. Do you know why we started the potatoes in cold water?
So that they evenly cook.
Yes! 10 points for Haley. That's a touchdown. Touchdowns are 6 points. Fuck me. We're making homemade blue cheese dressing, so I'm gonna add some mayonnaise, sour cream, a little bit of whole milk, Worcestershire, blue cheese, and I'm just gonna add a little squeeze of lemon. You wanna get the blue cheese nice and crumbly. A scallion. What's buffalo sauce and blue cheese without celery? Haley, what's your favorite game day food?
Queso cheese.
Chives. 25 and chiving. So we've got our potatoes boiling now. I'm just gonna check them to see if they're ready with the knife. And if the knife goes in nice and easy, that means they're ready to go. So we're gonna drain these now. Now we're gonna use the bottom of a glass to just sort of smash these into about 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 inch thick discs. Now I'm gonna drizzle them with some olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and we'll send them into a 450-degree oven. Halfway through them baking, you wanna give them a flip so that they cook evenly. Sundays are for the pastry brushes. We're gonna brush these with some buffalo sauce because you could toss them, but they're kind of fragile because you've just worked so hard to get them nice and crispy, so it's easier to just brush them. Or you could drizzle, but I mean, painting is fun. Thank you, Frank. Frank's red hot. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, now we're gonna add some dollops of the blue cheese dressing. We're gonna hit this with some celery. Nice little crunch. Crunch. Jalapeno. Jalapeno. Some scallions. More like scallium. Okay. Alright, we're gonna finish these puppies off with some flaky salt. One of the funniest tweets I ever saw was when the Patriots lost in the Super Bowl the other year. Someone was like, I bet Tom Brady's gonna go home and rage eat 28 almonds. You can get the full recipe on the feedfeed.com, and be sure to use your American Express Gold Card to earn 4 times the membership rewards points at US supermarkets. Points limit and terms apply.